Hello children, welcome back. RSPL 3 question number 29. I found this question to be important, so thought that I'll make it a separate video of it. So here in this question, the rainwater collected on the roof. So roof of the building of dimension 22 m into 20 m is drained into a cylindrical vessel having base diameter 2 meter and height is 3.5 meter. If vessel is full up to the brim, find the height of rainwater on the roof and in centimeter we have to find out. So considering, you need to imagine over here the roof of the house. The roof of the house is cuboidal in shape. So water collected over here on the rooftop, it will gain certain height, and up to certain height it will be collected after certain time. So this height we have to find out, that is h. So this roof water now is drained into a cylinder, and this cylinder have dimension. Diameter is 2 meter, so radius is 1 meter, and height of this is 3.5 meter. चिल्ड्रन प्लीज डू नॉट कमेंट ऑन घर के बगैर छत ड्रॉ कर दिया मैडम आपने. सो घर आप कैसे भी चाहिए वो ड्रॉ कर लीजिए. सो अब फिलहाल तो मैं इतना कर सकती हूँ यहाँ पे, जस्ट टू इमेजिन थिंग्स. सो मेन थिंग, फोकस ऑन द मेन कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ द सम. ओके चिल्ड्रन. ओके, सो volume of water collected on the roof, so that is roof, is equal to volume of water rainfall in volume of cylinder. So here the question says whatever rain water is collected on the roof, it is filled up to the brim. That means the total volume of the cylinder. So volume of roof here is L into B into H. This height only we have to find out how much height it has volume. So pi r square h. L here is, this is 22 meter into 20 meter into height, don't know, 22 by 7. They asked us to take 22 by 7 only. Then height of the radius here is 1 into 1 into 3.5. All are in meter. Cancel this, we get 0.5. So height I will leave it here, 22 into 0.5 divided by 22 into 20. Cancel. So we get here 0.5 divided by 20. You know how to get rid of the, yes, how to get rid of the decimal point. One shift numerator, 10 down. So now here you get 1 by 40, that is equal to 0.025 meter. The question asked us is usually rainfall is measured in centimeters. So height here what we will do, 0.05 divided by 100. So, sorry. It should be into 100. Okay, into 100 because bigger unit to smaller unit. So we get 2.5 centimeter. Therefore, the rainfall is in 22.5 centimeters. If you don't mention in centimeter, this question is for 3 marks. You will get 2.5, or might be depends on the evaluator. He might give, if he is more particular about the unit, he will give 2 only. 29 or question, a sphere of maximum volume is cut out. Sphere of maximum volume is cut out from a solid hemisphere. See, I am stressing it on it. Hemisphere is there. From that a sphere has been cut out of maximum value. Solid hemisphere of radius 7 centimeter. What is the ratio of the volume of first hemisphere is been asked to that of the cut out sphere. So, first you need to understand the question in this one. Hemisphere, its radius here r is 7 centimeter. Now in this one there is a sphere, so solid or a maximum volume sphere has been cut out from this one. While drawing you can make out, check out this one, the diameter of the sphere, diameter of sphere is equal to radius of hemisphere. Yes, can you make out from here? Check out from this point to here end, that is radius of the hemisphere, and this becomes diameter. So the radius of the sphere will be 7 by 2. That's it, we have to note down. So now whenever they ask you the ratio sum, usually don't do workout and find out, make a big number and then no. So volume of hemisphere, whichever has been asked first, that should go in numerator, divided by volume of sphere. Now one more thing, there are questions the left out or the remaining part of the hemisphere, like that the question will be asked, but this is a straight question. Hemisphere, volume of hemisphere to that of the sphere. So hemisphere volume is 2 by 3 pi r cube and sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Ratio sum handle this way, at least pi get cancelled. 3 and 3 get cancelled. 2 one time, 2 time. So what is remaining? 1 into, this is hemisphere, hemisphere radius 7, 7 into 7 into 7 divided by 2 is here, 2 into r here is, I'll take 7 by 2, 7 by 2, 7 by 2. All 7 cancel, this 2 and this 2 cancel. So what is remaining? 1. 1 divided by 4. So ratio becomes 4:1. Got it, children? Hope you understood.